Welcome back. Let's close these guys out. Starting with this guy first. Now I know exactly what I want. Go ahead and take you out. This guy is going to come and take this guy, yep. I'm alright with that though. Uh-oh. Oh, he got wrecked. Okay, cool. So now what I'm gonna do is take this guy and go right here. I was waiting for him to open up that alley. Go straight down like that. It's gonna take a while for him to get there though. What? Got him. Okay, so the king moved into place. Alright. So now that we've done that, let's see what else we can do. Let's move this guy over here. Oh, we've seen this one. Sheriff is such a boss. See, and that's what I thought was gonna happen. This guy doesn't mess around. So now my king is in check, but that's alright because I can just take him out. He's gonna get away. Ooh. So the game froze, and all that happened was he moved his rook from there to here, and my king still made the move on his rook. That's the pawn. Whatever. But here we are. Seems like a restart to me, but this will be halfway through the episode, so won't make a difference for you. But alright, let's see what we can do. Let's do this one. Actually, let's move you so that you can't take... So that the king can't take you. Oh, shoot. I'm about to get wrecked. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's alright. What? Ooh. Alright. I can accept that. That's alright. Okay. Let me do this then. I want to move you out of the way. There he goes. Alright. Let's get you out of the way here. Dang. Huh. Alright. Let's move him back here. Just in case he wants to try some funny business. Okay, so now he just got a rook that I'm just going to take over right here. Just real quick. Bang. Get wrecked. Now his king moves out the way. No more of that nonsense trying to pick this so we can do this guy. Ooh. Ooh. That's rough. Let's take you. Sure, still didn't work. So now his king is in trouble. Let's move you all the way down there. Hopefully this works. Not do that. Ah, I got him. Solid. So here we are, after the game froze again, after I won the game, checkmated the king. We're on the last level of the Wild West scene, and we will do that next time. So, stay tuned. Until next time, I'm out.